Shimla, which is the state capital of the hill state of Himachal Pradesh. Prakash Pant, my colleague. Good morning to you, Prakash. It's still morning, but it feels like afternoon.
Absolutely.
And the way things have been changing. But in Himachal Pradesh, not that much of a change yet, it seems. The trends holding in the favor of the BJP. 4 seats in 2019, all 4 of them. And the story is still the same.
Good morning, Gautam. Good morning, Sakal.
Good morning.
It's nice to connect with both of you again.
Yes, great to see you too.
Yes, as you said, Himachal Pradesh is continuing the trend of the last 2 consecutive elections. Again, this time, 4 out of 4 BJP candidates have established considerable lead till the rounds which have been completed so far. Let me tell you, Anurag Thakur, he's already leading close to 1 lakh votes from Hamirpur. He's leading. And Rajiv Bharadwaj, the new candidate which BJP had fielded this time from Kangra, he's already crossed 1,20,000 in the lead. In Mandi seat, where the fight was considered to be quiet, but Kangana Rao has also established a lead close to 30,000. And in Shimla also, the last time winner Suresh Kashyap of BJP is leading substantially. So it is 4-0 till now from Himachal Pradesh.
All right. So what is happening as far as the by-elections are concerned? Because a lot hinges on these 6 seats too, which have gone in for by-polls.
Gautam, here things are getting a bit tricky because in order to dislodge Sukhu government, BJP had to win all the 6 out of the 6 seats which they were fighting by election. So right now, in 3 seats, BJP is leading, in 2, Congress is leading, and in 1, a BJP rebel is leading as independent.
Okay, but Vikramaditya Singh trailing and Kangana making her electoral debut, leading with a considerable margin, and considering her opponent who hails from a very, very dominant political family from Himachal Pradesh and their credentials, political credentials, could that be a big surprise from hill state of Himachal?
Yes, Sakal, the results, the trends from Mandi seat are quite interesting because this was the one seat which was viewed throughout India. It had caught the attention of the entire country because BJP had fielded the queen of the Bollywood, Kangana Ranaut from here, and she had in the initial period of the campaign, it was thought that Kangana may appear weaker against Vikramaditya because of his family reputation. He is coming from the royal family. But one has to remember that Mandi is one seat when even last election in 2019, BJP won by a big margin of 2,50,000. And even in the last assembly polls, when BJP lost considerably, BJP lost power in Mandi, BJP won 13 out of the 17 assembly segments. So, but soon after the rallies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and UP Chief Minister Adityanath, the temperature had, means the atmosphere went largely in favor of Kangana Ranaut, and now she seems to be in ahead, quite considerably of Vikramaditya Singh.
All right. Prakash Pant joining us.